I keep forgetting to video parts of this, even though this is not a how-to video. I figured I'd just let you in on what's going on. Not a how-to video because I'm no body man. So the last time you saw this truck, it had been ground. The paint had been ground down, so I had bare metal here. I used some plastic filler, Bondo if you will, and got the repair done. I realigned the hood and the fender and got my gap close enough for me. I've shimmed the fender down and out and forward, so it's got several I think shims on both of these bolts that go this way behind the door there. It's got a shim under the bolt that goes this way to pull the fender down, and it's got a shim at the bolt that's right here. There's the shim right there. So that pulled it away from the hood and got all that good to go. Anyways, I put some etching primer on it and then some primer filler on it, and I'm in the process of wet sanding that right now. When I get this wet sanded down, I'm probably going to use some spot putty and try to address this scratch that somebody keyed this truck about a week after it got painted. They didn't like the fact that I had a brand new paint job. My son took it to a party and they keyed it. I'm going to fill that in with spot putty, probably put another layer of primer filler on it, wet sand it, and then once I get everything wet sanded where I like it, I'm gonna put some sealer on it. I just went and bought my paint a while ago. I got a quart of base coat, a quart of clear coat, and for the plastic parts behind the bumper I got some adhesion promoter. It's about 155 bucks worth of stuff right there. I just used the off-the-shelf self-etching primer filler, and there's my sealer. I got those from Advance Auto, something like that. So 5, 6, 7, I'll probably be at around 800 bucks or so on this repair if it turns out right. And whether it turns out right or not, it's gonna be like, it is what it is, because I'm not gonna, you know, fuss over it a whole lot. It's just, it's too much to try to keep up with, keep the paint job perfect. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and probably address these chips on the hood, rock chips. I got 5 or so of them. Yeah, there's another one. Anyway, like I said, this isn't a how-to video. It's going to let you know. I actually don't even have, you know, a compressor that I should be painting with. So, I've still got a gun, gravity feed gun, and I've got this itty bitty 3.7 CFM. No, 2.4 CFM compressor. Man, that's going to be the 3-gallon compressor. It's going to be really stretching its legs to do any painting, but you know what? The paint shop said if it doesn't work, you can come get a compressor. We'll loan it to you for the day. So that's awesome. But that's it. You know, I'm not gonna show you every step because we've been there and done that. I'll show you the little peek into it every now and then. I've been trying to get this thing together so fast because of the changes in weather and humidity and temperature. I've just been forgetting to update you on it. It's not a whole lot to really say other than I got it as far as I'm gonna get it. So I'm gonna throw some color on it and throw some clear on it, and do a little praying. Well, I got my base coats on. Not 100% satisfied, but I think it'll pass. It'll be okay. I'm just getting to the point where I can't, you know, I can't keep this paint looking the way I want it anyway. So getting ready to apply the clear here in just a few, well, I think I got 2 minutes left before this is ready. And it'll be okay. See how it works. Two things that do not go together: wet clear coat and combines. Ain't that some shit? And the wind's blowing this away.